Okay, here we have Juan with his setup here. He's got the two 15-inch, we'll call them Ascendants. He's got some pretty nasty roof flex, so we hooked him up with some RHS deadener to solve that, so we'll see what that's all about. Okay, we just got the RHS installed on the roof, 3 pieces there. Instantly it's rock hard solutions. So we'll see how that turns out. Now we got the RHS on there. There's a lot of the flex help. Just one layer. Rock hard. There's just nothing there now. It used to sound a lot like that.